Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Miss Naturally Mary here, and today I'm going to be trying a burgundy headband wig. You all can clearly see that my hair is black. So this is going to be interesting. I do have a little trick up my sleeve. I don't know how it's going to work, but let's get right into it. So this wig is by Nadula Hair, and I've got the question many times, which headband wig vendors would I recommend or which ones are my favorite? Nadula Hair is one of my favorite. You guys have probably seen me wear this wig, and I'll pop pictures on the screen consistently. Like, I've worn this wig since I got it, probably the most out of all the other headband wigs. I just love the curl pattern. I love the amount of kink and the amount of curl that's in the unit, and I love how long it is. Now, I do have other favorites, but that one, listen, that one's definitely at the top of my list. So we're gonna unbox the unit together. And I always like opening these boxes because you guys know over the past few months, I've really gotten into headband wigs as well as headbands. And I've been purchasing so many of them, but I've tried to force myself not to purchase anymore because I literally have a bag here that's spilling over with headbands because I love them so much and because I've been rocking them so much, and I want to show you guys different varieties. I need to actually find a way to store those because y'all, it's getting out of hand. And my office, oh my goodness, let's not even talk about that. So let's get into this unit, guys. Y'all, they sent me a ton of headbands. Look at all these. This one's pretty. This one, and this one's a little different. But I do like that they sent different styles of headbands, not just the ones that wrap all the way around, but these that just kind of go right here at the top of your head. I really like both kinds of headbands, but I don't know that I'm going to be using, we'll see. I don't know which ones I'm going to use. But let's get into this wig, y'all. I got this unit in length 20. Oh, this color is so pretty. So this is a 99J headband wig. And I know some of you guys really enjoy wearing color, so I had to do it for y'all. Look at how beautiful that is, y'all. They got that color down to a T. It is gorgeous. I actually tried dyeing a unit this color in the past. Yeah, it didn't work out well for me. So I'd rather just purchase a unit that comes in this color rather than actually trying to dye a unit this color on my own, because y'all, there are a lot of things that I can do with hair, but dyeing hair, I haven't gotten that down yet. So this is what the headband looks like, and I love that they did keep the roots dark because my hair is black and it's gonna look much more realistic with the black roots versus having the whole unit in 99J. So this is the texture. It's a silky Brazilian texture unit. Cannot wait to try this on. This is gonna be so interesting. So I should probably lay my edges down first. I've told you guys in the past that it's much better to lay your edges before actually installing your wig. So let's do that now. Again, I'm going to be using the Let's Jam and the Got to Be Glue in the yellow bottle to do so. But for those who don't want to wear your edges out, of course you could just pull the unit forward and not do any of that. But I am going to go through the process of laying my edges.
I got goals to chase, I got roads to pave. Not yet where I want to be, but I got close today. I went ghost today, I got least to say. I be focused on these dreams like I didn't sleep today. Y'all can be so amazed, y'all ain't seen nothing like this. No matter how much I fight this, I'm holding tight like a vice grip. Only right that I write this, feel the keys like a typist. Only plus I don't mind this, I don't have time cause I'm timeless, yeah. And I be going hard like I'm ballin'. Ain't no need for poker face, let you know I'm all in, radical. On the beat, I'm magical. They said I should be average, though I told them that I had to go. Yeah, I know they finna slap.
I guess that's good enough. I do have my hair braided in the back, and then the front I just have 2 flat twists going horizontally. So now I'm actually going to install the wig. So here's the Velcro attachment that I'm going to secure the unit on in the back. It also has combs on the inside. There's one at the top There's one at the bottom. There aren't any on the sides, but you can always just use the adjustable straps that are here. I didn't used to use these, but they definitely come in handy if you get a unit that's too big. So you just pull on it and then just insert it into these little holes that are right near the comb. That's where you insert the hook that's on the adjustable strap. All right, let's see what this burgundy headband wig is looking like. I'm just gonna comb her out. And I am gonna have to straighten her out because of how it looks from the packaging. But let's put it on. Ooh, this is pretty. And it's definitely big hair friendly. And I'm gonna definitely pull this up a little further than normal because this is a straighter texture. And as I shared in my last straight headband wig video, my hair isn't straight, so I do have to pull it up further. So now I'm gonna take the headband and we're gonna secure it in the back. Using the adjustable strap in the back was definitely a good idea.
Ryan Little.
This is so cute. Look at that. This is so cool. I love that companies are coming out with the colored headband wigs now. I actually have a highlight one that I'm going to do soon as well. And I was so unsure about how I was going to get it to blend with my hair because it's black. And I actually went and purchased some hairspray because I thought, oh, I could just spray hairspray on the front. But I don't need to because it's black at the roots. That's genius. Such a good idea. So let's see what headband we can use. This one is cute, but it doesn't cover the black headband enough. So I need to find something else that's going to cover that fully because I don't want my hair to show too much because it's not straight and it's also not this color. Okay, I found the perfect headband that's going to work. I have this black one and I'm only using black because I want something that's going to match the hair as well as my top because I don't want to change it. And I feel like a black one will complement this unit and this hair really well and cover the band. This one is definitely wide enough, so it should absolutely work. This cheetah print headband would have been good too, but it won't look good with my top. I think this is good enough. Now I'm going to straighten the hair because from the packaging it does have a few crimps in it. So let's straighten that out and then I'll come back on. Y'all, this looks so good. I did not expect to like it this much because my hair isn't the same color. I wasn't sure how it's gonna look with the headband wig, but y'all, Nadula did a great job with this one. They do a phenomenal job with their headband wigs in general because I'm telling y'all, that kinky curly one that I have, it's amazing. And this one is gorgeous as well. So if you're somebody who's been looking for a 99J headband wig, I would highly recommend this one. I really like this straight texture, but y'all, I would love to see this in a kinky curly texture. Wouldn't that be fire, y'all? Oh my goodness, that would be so beautiful. All right, before we end this video, y'all know what time it is. It's time to do some styling. So let's get into that portion.
Here with the squad, everybody trying to go, yeah, the party jumping off, and we putting on a show, trying to catch a vibe, we do this every time, like, na 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 na, feeling like I'm on the highway, cause everything been going my way, and now they looking at me sideways, I'm like, na 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 na, this is where I wanna be, na na na, never ever gonna leave. It's a party, make a toast. It's a party every day. So anywhere you go, all across the coast, we do it every time. Like na 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 na. I got nothing but the highlights. Can't believe that this is my life. I'm only living on the bright side. I'm like na 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 na. This is where I wanna be. Na na na. Never ever gonna leave. This is where I wanna stay, nah, nah, nah. I could do this every day, nah, nah, nah. It don't matter what they say. I'm like, nah, 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 nah. You better know.
Alright y'all, that's the end of this video. Be sure to check out my headband wig playlist if you're looking for more styling options. I have so many different styles that I've shown you guys with these type of units. And also be sure to check out my previous Nadula hair video. That one was so good and the unit is so amazing. I recommend that one to anyone. I also got my twin sister on that one, so we both have one now. But y'all, that one is amazing and this unit is so gorgeous as well. This 99J headband wig looks so great. It's perfect for any time of year. I feel like colored units, although fall is generally the time that you wear a lot of color, I feel like you can get away with it any time of year. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. I look forward to your comments and feedback on what you all think about this bomb unit. I cannot wait to hear from you guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
This is my life.